This is HANBS and Sonia. Today we continue to introduce P26, a double spindle and a double flat roll Swiss CNC lathe. Its main spindle and sub-spindle are all made of high precision built-in electric spindles. And the maximum machining diameter of the main spindle and back axis of this centering machine is up to 26 mm. From the appearance, equipped with a 10.4-inch LCD screen, Chinese and English interface at any time to switch sample, and easy to get started. Welcome to see the operation. We believe our equipment can bring you the different application feelings.